This is my favorite carry-on for the 2026, and it's the BAGSMART Getaway 20-inch carry-on. If you travel even few times a year, the carry-on that you choose matters more than almost anything else that you pack. Today I will show you how I'm using it from my home all the way up to my travels. Okay, so let's have a look on this great steel blue color that envelops this amazing carry-on. This steel blue color will fit every scenario that you throw in. With an almost matte finish, it blends perfectly for any type of occasion for sure. So let's go to pack it for my travels and how I'm using it. I start by laying it down completely flat so I can see everything inside at once. I'll start laying my clothes from the left part in this zip compartment, and I will be laying down my t-shirts on this side because I like to have everything visible and easy to use. And also I'm using this space to put my shorts, so I actually combine some shorts, wearables to some long things when it's colder. And well, I will be laying down a little more clothes on this side as my daily summer hotter days like that, and one last shirt on this side. We'll be closing this lid for now with this great zipper, really great quality. I will fill up right now with some longer pants and some additional shorts from this side, so I can pack it all together nicely and tightly. And let's put a longer jacket, small thin jacket, when things get cold. It's not the best packing experience, but it's mine. Perfectly aligned. Closing this lid and opening, you can check that you have an additional storage right up there that will be getting on. With this straps, compression is easy and simple, and you can compress your clothes without any problems and get it done tightly and neatly with a great look. Now, closing off this lid, you get to additional storage where actually I put my socks and my underwear neatly stored inside. Most of the times I'm using also this part to store my actual passport, and closing it off with some additional earplugs when I get some noise unwanted to get filtered out. And then on this side, the magic happens. We have actually a dedicated wet-dry pocket that keeps all my towels completely separate from everything else. Nice and tightly secure for any spills. So I put inside, let's say, my toothbrush paste, my actual other amenities, some creams. Let's put it inside, and actually my deodorant with additional creams and, well, let's say my toothbrush. Closing it off in this other section right up here, I'm using it actually for my day care, hair care, well, hair care, let's say like that. So we are tightly packed and neatly all together. Let's put another cream right up here. And then we have a neatly stored space that we can close off in style. But if I need more space, I will open the zipper and actually pack a lot more inside, let's say additional jackets for cold weather. and I will show it to you right now. So we will be expanding this portion all together, right up there, and now we have additional space for our belongings. I will be putting inside, let's say, additional stuff. So additional jeans and a blue jacket that will serve the purpose for a cold day. And now with the straps, packed it and actually compress it perfectly so I get the lid closed without any problems. Let's go like that, compressed really well. And now closing this lid off and closing the actual carry-on all together. And now with this we will have a nicely widened part so we can actually store our belongings, and we will have the widened part so if we need more storage, there you have it without any problems. So as you see, we have widened it up and we can have more storage inside for our belongings, and it will serve the purpose for a longer travel, and it will fit actually almost any airline. The built-in TSA combination locks means that I can lock it up and walk away anywhere without carrying a separate lock. Getting out for the travel, this thing just moves. The 360 wheels handle the cobblestones, tiles and every surface in between like a breeze. 4-wheel spinners that actually glide, something that you truly appreciate. The aluminum handle locks in to 4 different heights. So whether you are tall or short, it keeps pace with you. The BAGSMART Getaway carry-on slides right into the boot and fits perfectly. Compact when it needs to be and expandable when it don't. What I appreciate the most, it looks everywhere right. Train station, park, street or anywhere in between. And the dual grab handle means that I can grab it on one way and I need it and it stays looking clean however I travel. At 8.2 pounds or 3.7 kilos, it's light enough that I'm lifting into an overhead bin without any struggle. Or when I'm home or in a studio, it compresses down and stores neatly and it doesn't take over the room between trips. And there you have it, this is the BAGSMART Getaway 20-inch carry-on that I will be getting back and travel all my 2026 onward with this bag. And also, if you want to know more, the first link in the description will guide you straight to the buying site with some amazing promo codes. If you have any questions, feel free to comment now, I will be happy to answer to all them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell ring icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.